As a registered dietitian, I would so much rather people focus their goals on improving their overall health rather than trying to change the way that they look. I realize that the belly area is something a lot of people spend a lot of time wishing they could change. But it does a lot of amazing stuff for us, like digest our foods and, I don't know, house some crucial organs. But if you want to lose fat in a targeted way, it's possible to do so healthfully. Let's get into the details. What is belly fat? Belly fat is a type of fat that accumulates around our belly area and is also sometimes known as visceral fat, which is fat that accumulates between our muscles and our abdomen. This is different than subcutaneous fat, which is the type of fat closer to our skin that you can pinch between your fingers. Everybody has it. Besides fat cells, our belly can change in size throughout the course of the day from things like bloating, water retention, or as a healthy response to eating food, and none of this should usually be cause for concern. Is belly fat dangerous? Our visceral fat, like all fat in our body, can be used for energy. But in excess, visceral fat around our internal organs can lead to inflammation, which increases our risk for chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Subcutaneous fat is not as highly associated with inflammation or chronic disease risk. I'll also note that restrictive eating patterns are also associated with inflammation and chronic disease, so your focus is better spent on developing healthy habits than trying to look a certain way. What should you eat to lose belly fat? So there's no one food or diet that will guarantee fat loss of any kind, including belly fat. But here are a few tips that can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce visceral fat, and avoid uncomfortable bloating. First, avoid bloat-inducing foods. Certain refined grains and added sugars are absorbed poorly in your intestines and then rapidly fermented, which can lead to gas and ultimately bloating. Highly processed foods are also higher in sodium, which can lead to more water retention. Instead, try to choose whole foods when you can, which are naturally lower in sodium and digested and absorbed in a healthier way. One of the best things about protein is that it's super filling and satisfying, so it can help you avoid being super hungry and overeating later in the day. Some studies have found that high protein diets even increase the amount of calories you burn at rest by supporting healthy muscle growth and metabolism. And lastly, focus on fiber. Fiber is a type of carb that we can't digest ourselves and is found in foods like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. Fiber helps slow down how quickly things pass through our digestive tract, which can help you feel full for longer after a meal. Pairing protein and fiber can be even better in this department. What exercises can reduce belly fat? You may think that targeted exercises like crunches per se reduce fat in a certain area, but that's not exactly how it works. Here are some exercises that are correlated with general fat loss, which can include the belly region. 1. Running on an incline. Whether it's your typical gym warm-up or just general cardio, try upping the incline on the treadmill. This will burn more calories than running or walking on a flat surface, and it also works on hills outdoors. 2. High-intensity interval training. High-intensity, fast-paced exercises are not only challenging, but they can also increase the amount of calories your body burns after the fact, aptly named the afterburn effect. Be sure to work different muscle groups throughout your session for the greatest benefit. 3. Side planks. Strengthening your core will help build your abdominal muscles, and muscles naturally burn more calories than fat. Strengthening these muscles alongside general cardio can help improve muscle tone, reduce back pain, and even help with balance. What lifestyle habits can reduce belly fat? Sleep is important for a variety of our body functions aside from our weight, but too little sleep can increase the hunger hormone ghrelin and increase our propensity to overeat. Also, stay hydrated. This does not mean that water is a replacement for a meal when you're actually hungry. It definitely is not. But staying hydrated can help you eat more mindfully, lower inflammation levels, reduce bloating, and improve your overall health. Last but not least, don't skip meals. Not eating enough throughout the day is the #1 mistake most people make when trying to lose weight, and we have a whole video about that if you want to learn more. To be super clear, I would rather someone focus on their whole health rather than zeroing in on belly fat. But if that is your goal, I hope this video helps you achieve it in a healthy way. Thanks for watching.